What are you seeing any trends in particular industries in that region that are more prone to be interested in this than others?
As compared with the rest of the global RPA markets, we've seen a lot of demand in telecom players, of course banking, and shared services, and then also everybody, retail, fast-moving consumer goods, we've seen that, service companies.
Are you seeing any unique challenges to the geographic region that may be different from what, say we're experiencing here in the United States, or what our colleagues in Europe are experiencing?
I think in the United States you're very good at process mapping. In Latin America, we have to start understanding what's happening in the company.
Okay.
We may have a twist, an artisan way of doing things. So from the key challenges from time to time is to identify the rules that manage what is happening in the company. Why you do that? Is it judgment, or do you really have 3-4 rules that you internally apply? Understanding the rules so you can place a simple robot that creates a good solution. I think that's more difficult in Latin American companies who has not as good process maps as, for example, I've seen in the United States.
Sure. As you encounter new organizations who are interested, are you seeing this primarily coming from the business side or the IT side, or is there a good mix?
I've seen a mix, but I have to say that the best implementations that I've done, all of them started from the business side. This business area who has a problem, who has a process owner, who has an internal process that creates an inefficiency, the business area understands from a business point of view. If I had a robot, what would I do differently? What would I do better?
Right.
In my opinion, it's the business area who very, very quickly identifies how to create value with RPA once they understand the RPA process from a business point of view. And then, when you have defined together the process, the new robotized process, then we have a bunch of technologies and solutions, and we choose the best one for the client.
Right.
And I have never had problems with IT security protocols, IT accesses. I have never had problems with that. That's secondary. The key is if the business sees the value in business terms.
Right.
So yeah, I agree. I have a miscellaneous. I have projects led by IT, projects led by the business areas, but if I have to summarize, when we start with the business, I've seen the most successful implementations when I've started from the business and the process owners.